Hello everybody, welcome to TechTuber. In this video, I will show you how to remove the shortcut virus from pen drive. You see, this is my pen drive, almost 3 GB full. When I open the pen drive, only one shortcut is there. Trying to open the shortcut, this error is showing. So, how to get the files and folders from the pen drive? One way is that if you know the file and folder name, then search it here. You will get your files and folders. But if you don't know the file names, what happens? So watch the video till the end. Search for CMD here. Right click and run as administrator. Yes. Now what is the drive name? It is H. So write down H : enter. So now you are in the H drive. Now we have to write attrib space -s space -h space /s space /d space *.* That's it, and hit enter. So go to your pen drive folder again. You see there is one folder. Open the folder, you will get all your folders. Your actual folder is this one. So copy this folder to your machine and then format this pen drive. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button, give your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy learning.